Our life is continuously make a hijrah towards the light. It's a sunnah to continuously move towards the light. Even if you come for a few hours, you come for a few days, your life is always moving towards that light. And anytime you leave your place to move to a greater light, every difficulty is burned away by the movement towards that light. Anybody who studies energy, any time in life when we move towards light, there's immense energies coming off of that light. And whatever we have, wherever we are, whatever difficulties, when we take the direction of that light physically, imagine then spiritually, every movement towards that light is a dress of light and washing away every type of negativity and badness.